Alright, so it's day 004 trying to get funded. We ended last week in a crazy drawdown. From being up around $100 to actually losing $120, which was crazy. We didn't get any winning trade since the week started to the week ended. But basically today is Monday, a fresh week, another day in office. We're trying to see if we could get funded. Basically, I'm increasing my risk to $30. For those of you guys that are new to the channel, this is a 5K account that I'm trying to trade and see what happens. So basically, I was risking $20 prior, but I feel like I'm gonna increase my risk by $30 and try to reduce them trades that I trade per day. So today is Monday. Bagala, let's get it. Alright guys, I'm in on the first trade of the day. This is GBP card. Once again, I'm in on some buys. Overall prices has been pushing towards the upside, bit of a pullback. Then so let's wait and see what happens. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Tiny stop loss, but let's just wait and see what happens. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it. Alright guys, so this is what's up. The GBP card trade is pushing, but we have a bit of resistance right here, and it pulled back all the way in the past. So what I'm gonna do is pull my stop loss up here. I feel like prices will reach here, but I don't really know, but I feel like prices may touch this zone. So what I'm gonna do is probably pull my stops up to break even. I mean, I could close here because this is already a 1 to 2, but let me first give it a bit more time and see how this candlestick will close. Still got 7 minutes in it, so let's wait and see what happens. But for now, I'm moving my stops to break even. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so I've just exited the GBP card buy right around that area because I feel like we're doing too much around this area. I mean, prices could still push. I'm not saying prices are gonna drop, but I feel like let me just close because we're late in New York session, and I don't really usually hold my trades till this late. You feel what I'm saying? So basically, I'm out of this trade. This was the GBP card. That's how much we made on this trade. So basically, this is just what it is. Let's just wait and see what happens tomorrow. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it.
Day 2.
Tuesday, we're trying to see what happens. Yesterday was a bit beautiful. We're trying to see what happens today. The market's a bit slower than Monday actually. I don't know, but they look to be a bit slower than Monday. But we're trying to see what happens. Let's get it. Guys, I'm in on US oil. This is WTI on C Trader. As you guys can see right there. So basically, I'm in on the a bit of a pullback right here. It was a bit of an early entry, so not really a good entry, but let's just wait and see because the hourly candlestick is actually closing on this. So on the hourly we are having a rejection, which is not beautiful at all. But the spreads on this is actually crazy. I didn't know that the spreads are this crazy. I haven't really used a huge lot, but I'm saying that the spreads are wild crazy. But other than that, I feel like I'm feeling good about this trade. Basically, you guys could see we've been pushing, prices came back, pulled back, and then all of a sudden they've been failing, but they've been failing to create higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. They've been failing to create higher highs. Every time they try to buy, sellers dropping. Every time they try, sellers, but every time they try, sellers. So basically I was like, okay, let me wait for a break, possible retest, then hopefully it continues towards the downside. So basically let's just wait and see what happens with this one. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so this is how the trade is going currently. We're moving our stops to break even right around this area because the US oil is a crazy peg. We just do a 360 and stop me out, and then just lose the whole position. So I'm bringing my stops to break even, and yeah, I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Right, so basically prices has pulled back and it has stopped us out, as you guys can see right there. This was the US oil trade that I took earlier on. We didn't hit TP, prices just came, played, and then all of a sudden look at this volume coming towards the upside. I feel like this was the only setup that I had, if I close at least because it was a few pips that but anyways, it is what it is. Probably this could be the last setup, but let's just wait and see what happens. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it.
One eternity later.
All right, so it's Wednesday. Yesterday didn't go as planned. Real quick, this is how much we're up currently. We didn't get a trade yesterday. We did get a trade, but I didn't take profit on that trade. I was trying to take profit, but prices literally just switched up. So basically, we're trying to see what happens today. But other than that, I feel like today could be a beautiful day. You know, the market has already shown movements, yesterday's movement, so we're trying to see if we could capitalize on that. So I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Hopefully today turns us to the blues. We still got around 25 bucks to get back to break even. So it ain't really like a big deal unless we do lose again today. But we shall be seeing what happens. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it. So I'm in on the first trade. This is USD JPY. And I'm looking out for some sales, as you guys can see right there. Basically, I was looking at sell, pullback, probably continuation towards the downside. Yeah, basically that's just what up. Overall, market has been selling since yesterday. We've had a pullback, and then I've seen a bit of a reaction at this area right here. So I'm like, why not? I'm getting in on this sell. So I'm in, as you guys can see right there. Let's just wait and see what happens. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it. All right, guys. So I'm in again on NAS 100, backing on some sales. As you guys can see, prices plummeted yesterday. We got this bit of a pullback. I'm in a bit late because I wanted to get this zone right here, but I just got in like, you know, on the wrong footing. But it's all good. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's wait and see what happens with these sales. As you guys can see right there, I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it. All right, guys, so it's been roughly around 5 hours. This is the NAS 100 trade. Basically, I had my take profit down here, but I feel like I should exit right here. Reason being because this initial buy right here, you can see how it, you know, but initially, this was what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a push, pull back, then push towards the downside. I feel like it could still push towards the downside because you guys could see we had this bit of price action, broke out, prices pull back, expecting a further breakout. So I'm still looking at this and I'll be updating you guys in a minute. I could exit right here. Let me first wait prices to give me another touch. I'll be seeing how that goes. But for now, this was up on the NAS 100 trade. I'll be updating you all in a minute. Let's get it. All right, so this is the USD JPY trade, as you guys can see right there. Honestly, this guy hasn't really moved the way I expected him to move. Because when I look at the other cross pairs, the Euro, the GBP, JPY, all of those guys have been dropping, and this guy has been holding. So I felt like I didn't really choose the correct pair. I had to choose Euro JPY or GBP JPY, but it's all good. I'm gonna hold this. If it turns against me, then it is what it is. But for now, I'm holding it, sticking to the rules. At least I'll close down here, but not right there. So I'm still in this. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it. Alright, guys, we've hit that zone, as you guys could see. I'm honestly gonna hold this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my stops to break even because this could turn into a double top on the higher time frame. This is just a 15-minute time frame. So I'm looking to hold this and I'm looking to add in another position on this breakout. And I've pulled my take profit up to this area right here. So if we get a breakout down here, I'm getting in probably to see if I could take prices to this area right here. So that's just what up. I'm gonna be updating you all in a minute. Let's get it. All right, gang, so we're reacting off this zone, but I'm like, shit, fuck it, I ain't closing this trade. If it stops me out, then it is what it is. But analysis wise, I feel like everything was looking beautiful. So if it stops me out, it is what it is, but I ain't closing this trade. I'm actually gonna put my stop loss back up around this area just in case. But this is the same thing that happened to us yesterday on the US oil trade. I do have that mindset, but I'm not gonna close this trade. Let's just wait and see. I still have my bias. If it breaks out, I may add on depending on the nature of the breakout, but I feel like this still has a drop in it, so I'm gonna be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it. All right, so we're good and stopped out right there, as you guys can see on the NAS 100 trade. Well, I feel like this is a big lesson for me to learn because prices did push up a Telma zone, but still held even though prices were showing me that they could flip. Well, the switch was really abrupt. I didn't see this coming, but I feel like I need to stand on business more next time, because this is not the first time. We did the same thing on the US oil trade, which is really fucked up. So this is just the second day when we're doing the same mistake. So basically, that's something that we need to put aside and try to do it. So prices did push, and then we just failed to close because we wanted more. Yeah, I'm saying. So basically, that's just what up. I'll be updating you all in a minute. Let's just create to it. Alright guys, so basically that's just the end of the video. If you made it to the end, man, big shout outs to y'all. Basically it hasn't really been that good so far. um we still have a couple things to work out. Basically regarding take profit wise, I feel like that's when you finish this problem in trading, you just gotta deal with the next one ASAP. So basically regarding the USD JPY trade, I'll probably update you guys at the next one. Let's get it.